back to Little Mama Schoolhouse. I'm Lisa, and today I decided to take you on an updated garden tour. I realized in my previous video that I never shared what we were planting, where we were planting, or any of that. So I decided that I wanted to take you kind of on an updated garden tour just so you can see what we planted. So our garden has been in the ground now for about 6 weeks. So this is just 6 weeks worth of growth, and we have had a really hard early summer. So it didn't even get to being warm until the end of June, and it was really cold and really windy. It was kind of miserable, to be quite honest. I think it was like in the 50s until about the second or third week in June before we started getting any kind of warmth. And so our plants definitely took a toll, but I'm going to share where we're at in this process. So some plants are doing really well, and some I feel like are a little more behind than they typically are in a typical season. So I will just share all of that here with you, and most of my seeds I order from Baker Creek Seeds. I love their heirloom seeds, so we do that. And then my tomatoes, all of the things that I already buy starts of, all my starts died, I do get from just a local greenhouse. I like to support my local businesses. So nothing is from, I believe, any big box store. So you can make it your garden work with Baker Creek Seeds and just shopping at your local nurseries. This is my first box, and I planted some various tomato plants in this one. There are also some eggplants. My oldest likes to plant eggplants, and she takes care of them all on her own. And then I have some onions, different varieties, some bulbs, and then some with the greens, peas, and then this is a toothache plant. It's growing very slowly, but it is a jokester plant, and then of course marigolds. This next box has zucchini as well as some yellow scallop squash. And I also planted a variety of peppers, banana peppers, jalapenos, and then there were some 2 bell peppers, but one wasn't getting enough water. You can see some kale back there, some spinach, and some bolted spinach, unfortunately. And then these bean boxes are my favorites. They're just so beautiful and just so full. It brings me so much happiness looking at them. And then these are Kyoto red carrots, and they were individually coated, which made for easy planting. Now jumping over to this box, I planted some sunflowers. There are some radishes. This is a Chinese shawo fruit radish, some various cucumbers, pickling, and just regular cucumbers, some calendula, and some kale, lettuce, and then some pansies. The flowers of the calendula and the pansies are edible. I did plant 2 different varieties of beans, tender green beans, as well as the Blue Lake bush beans. And herbs in a basket. I have peppermint, oregano, parsley, and thyme.